Hey everyone, welcome back to Software Unwrapped. Today we're diving into FlexClip, a cloud-based video editing software that's making waves. We'll explore its features, pros, cons, pricing, and see if it's the right fit for you. If you're curious to see FlexClip in action, I've included a link in the description below so you can follow along. Let's get started. FlexClip is a user-friendly video editing tool that operates entirely in the cloud. This means that you can edit videos from any device with an internet connection, making it ideal for remote teams or individuals on the go. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, FlexClip offers features to bring your creative ideas to life. Here's what makes FlexClip stand out. An intuitive interface with a drag and drop functionality makes complex tasks simple and perfect for beginners. A sizable template library that will allow you to save time with customizable templates for various purposes like social media posts or promotional videos. A rich content library to spice up your videos with royalty-free music, sound effects, stock photos, and videos. Cloud-based editing that will let you access and edit projects from anywhere with an internet connection. Customization tools that will let you add logos, text, and watermarks to personalize your videos for branding. Let's have a look at some of the pros and cons of FlexClip. Intuitive design and easy to use. FlexClip boasts a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for beginners to jump right in and start creating videos. The layout is clear and uncluttered, with editing tools readily accessible. Variety of templates and customization. FlexClip offers a wide range of pre-made templates to jumpstart your creative process. These templates cover a variety of purposes, from social media posts to presentations. Additionally, you can customize these templates with your own text, images, and videos for a personalized touch. Free video maker and attractive price. FlexClip has a free plan that allows you to create basic videos. Even with paid subscriptions, FlexClip offers competitive pricing compared to other video editing software. Collaboration features. FlexClip allows for collaboration among users, enabling teams to work on projects together. This can be a valuable asset for businesses or educational institutions. Cons. Dependent on the internet. As a cloud-based platform, FlexClip requires a stable internet connection to function properly. This can be a disadvantage if you frequently experience connectivity issues. Limited editing tools. While FlexClip offers a good range of basic editing tools, it lacks the advanced features found in professional video editing software. This may be limiting for experienced users who require more precise control. Slow performance. Some users report that FlexClip can be slow, particularly when uploading media or exporting finished videos. This can be frustrating and impact your workflow. Free version limitations. The free plan of FlexClip has limitations, including a watermark on exported videos and a lower video quality. Upgrading to a paid plan is necessary to remove these restrictions. Who is FlexClip for? FlexClip is a strong contender for both beginners and experienced editors due to its user-friendly interface and powerful features. However, consider potential upload delays and limitations of the free version. Let's explore FlexClip's pricing and plans. FlexClip offers three plans. The free plan, this consists of 720p downloads and limited stock media. It's great for exploring FlexClip with basic editing tools. The Plus plan, at $9.99 per month, this has full HD downloads, 5 stock videos or audio per project, unlimited video length, and custom branding. And lastly, the Business plan, coming in at $19.99 per month. This includes all Plus features with unlimited stock media, business AI credits, 1 terabyte video hosting, and custom font uploads. FlexClip impresses with its user-friendly approach and powerful features. While some upload delays and free version limitations exist, FlexClip offers a strong value proposition. If you are looking for a user-friendly and affordable video editing tool, the Plus plan offers a great balance of features at a reasonable price. However, explore FlexClip's website using the link below to see which plan best suits your needs. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what kind of video editing you do and if FlexClip seems like a good fit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, see ya.